Hi everyone. So let's see how the energy is going to be for Libras this week. And let me take out three tarots from the deck. And I'm myself a Libra ascendant. So let's check out that what's stored in for me as well as the other co-Libras. Okay, let me pull out three cards for Libras. Already got three cards. All these cards came opposite. Very good cards for the very good cards for not very good card. I can say that it is kind of mixed energy for Libras as well in the first week of October. So first card is Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands card says that the person is completely burdened and is not able to take more pressure, but it came opposite. So the Libra energy is going to be like they will be taking more and more burden, more and more stress this week, and they will be disbalancing their energy a bit. In this week of October, first week of October, so they will be as here it is like they can take more burden this week. Might be they will be taking more work burden, and if they are taking burden for work, then it is going to be very good for that. If you are taking the work burden, then you will be getting prosperity and you will be getting good money. So here you can see this, like Libra will be ready to take more and more burdens on themselves. And King of Wands, see, if upright, if you can see King of Wands, if it is upright, it is in his own energy. He is keeping wand with him and not letting anybody else come near him and all. But this card came opposite. So this will be kind of energy that the Libra people will be more communicative and more friendly in first week of October with others. They will means they will be kind of open in first week of October, not like a closed off person and not talking to anybody, being in their own pride and being in their own emotions, keeping everything to themselves. They will be not in this energy. They will be in open energy and free energy in first week of October. So the Fool card, it came opposite. If it came upright, it means they will be taking leap of faith, but they will be taking new risk, new opportunities. They will be exploring and all, because this is also a card of new start, that because you are taking new steps without thinking anything, because you are not thinking about anything. You are in your own mood, and you are taking decision without thinking anything. But this card came opposite, that so it tells that Libra will be very careful while taking their decision. They will be not taking a leap of faith. They will be thinking, they will be analyzing, and then only they will be taking their decisions. They are going to be very careful with their dealings. Okay, so this is the energy for Libra's first week of October. And now I will take the cards from Unicorn deck. Let me take out one card from the Unicorn deck. I got one card for Libras. See, I told you that they will be not taking this leap of faith, and they will be not taking the blinded, they will be not blind while taking their decisions. And I got the card. See, this is the card I got. Wisdom. Act with wisdom and people will respect you. This is a message from unicorn. What else you need? See, Libras will be all using their wisdom. They will be not taking their decisions like without thinking, and without means like thinking about the pros and cons. They will be not taking leap of faith and doing thinking without analyzing, doing anything and taking any decision. They will be acting with wisdom. See, already I got the card from unicorns that you will be taking all decisions with wisdoms, and you are ready to take burdens. I think these all related to work, as I got this card as well. So I think it is all related to work, and work. Libras are all work this week. So let me take out one more card from the Archangel's messages. Let's see that what message we have from the angels. See, I got one card. Archangel Regiel. I see life from a positive perspective. I see life from a positive perspective. I have enhanced mental acuity. I magnetically attract peaceful, thoughtful people into my circle. I intuitively know that what I need to know when I need it. I am grateful for assistance from the heavenly realm. So as I know that Libra people are into meditation and all, they are talking to themselves, analyzing their own soul. They are going within and talking to themselves, and they are getting answers from the universe, and they are very much aligned with their mental acuity. They are very much aligned, and they are enhancing their mental ability and acuity, and they are not taking decisions like before, how they were like nav and taking decisions without thinking. But now they are not doing that. They are very careful while taking decisions. And here the stone for the week. I'm not able to pronounce it correctly. Dumoro Tierite. Dumortierite. I don't know what's the name. I'm not able to pronounce it, but whatever it is, this is the stone for the week. Are you able to imagine your life asking help from the divine? Are you seeking inner peace? It is time to acknowledge that you have the ability to hear, sense, or know information and guidance from angels and spirit guides. Realign and develop your spiritual awareness. Objectively observe patterns and behaviors and shift. Connected. Not taking decisions without thinking. Wisdom, and now this card. So Libras are all wise this week. They will be working very wise. So that's all for Libras for this week as of now. Thanks so much. Bye bye. Take care.